Hello, it's that time of year when I like to give away some of my favorite seeds to my subscribers. And so this time I'm going to give away some Aleppo pepper seeds. This is one that I grew for the first time last year, and it turned out great. I had a real hard time finding the seeds, and so I finally found some. I had 10 seeds, only one germinated, and then that poor little plant was hit with aphids, and then I had to really babysit it, but finally it grew nice, strong and healthy and produced a lot of peppers for me. And so I am going to give away 5 packs of 10 seeds each, or there might be 11 or 12 in there. And these seeds were collected, one from each pepper, so they were not all from the same pepper. So they had about 12 different peppers I collected them from. And so if you'll just leave a comment down below and let me know some of your favorite peppers that you like to grow, or just let me know you want to be entered into the contest. I will enter you, and I will select 5 winners next week, about 7 days from when I upload this video. So this giveaway will be limited to those of you who live in the U.S. Sorry to my subscribers who live internationally. I'm just not sure about shipping seeds all over the world. I know there's some laws about that. So I'm limiting this to the U.S. only, and you have to be 18 years or older to enter. And thank you so much for watching. Good luck to all of you, and have a beautiful day.